guys, my name is Aditya. Today I am here with this video to show you how to make an origami elephant. So let's start. For making an origami elephant, you need one craft paper and one scissor. Let's begin. Here I am choosing one brown craft paper sheet, so we'll keep this out. So let's start. First step, triangle fold. All these steps, your paper should exactly look like this. Now these are the legs of the elephant, front legs. So we'll fold them like this. Done. Now see back side. As you can see this thing, you have to fold it back. Now we need the scissor. We have to cut this from the middle. Here you have to cut this from the middle. We have cut it. Now we'll start it again. So we have got the both legs. We have got the both legs here. Now we will make the face. Here the face, like this. Here, this is the face. Hold. So now we have done like this, and now the last ears. Cut it from the middle. Now this. Done. Our elephant is ready. Now our elephant is ready to go in the jungle. Hope you enjoyed the video. So like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon button. Goodbye.